everybody!
Today we're going to be building a high-speed train and a double-decker bus. Yeah.
We got the kids. Nicole and I went to Europe. We went to London, we went to Paris, and we went to Amsterdam. So we got them a set at each of the Lego stores as souvenirs.
Yep.
And today we're gonna build the sets.
Yep.
The Paris store didn't have any specific sets for Paris, except for the obvious Eiffel Tower set. That's way too expensive for a souvenir. But we should get that set, maybe.
Yes.
So we got them.
A good addition to the Avengers Tower and the.
We got them.
Millennium Falcon.
The Frenchman bag tags. In London, we got the double-decker buses.
Scarlett and Julian will love it. The Peppa Pig bus.
And in Amsterdam, we got the high-speed train, which we rode on.
Oh, look, you can see me in the window across the way. Oh no, I mean you can see me in that reflection. Hello.
And first, we are going to build the double-decker bus.
We'll build the double-decker bus first, and then we'll build the train. So,
Yep.
shall we get started?
Yeah.
Here we go. We have finished
Our Lego sets.
the sets from Europe,
Yep.
the souvenir sets. You guys have fun building them?
Yeah.
And Scarlett basically built the double-decker bus all by herself.
And Daddy helped me with this.
Yeah, I helped. I helped both of you. Did you have fun building them?
Yeah.
Double-decker bus, really cool. Some really awesome stickers. Julian really likes the movie called The Brick Separator. He thought that was clever. And then we got the cool double bus, and you can actually, high-speed train rather. No, this is a double-decker bus. And you can actually attach the trains together and make one big train.
Yeah, and also if you get another one for just for yourself, you can connect it to this one.
Yep. And they even provide you with the stickers.
Yep.
To make trains 3 and 4 after 1 and 2. Were they good ideas for souvenirs from our Europe trip?
Yep.
A good surprise?
Yeah.
Good. All right, thanks for watching our video. If you like this, you should subscribe to our channel. Maybe give the video a thumbs up and
See you next time. See you next time.